Asenso tayo, Pinoy. Asenso tayo, Asenso Pinoy.
Magandang araw mga Kapinoy. Welcome sa ating interview segment. At sa araw na ito, ang ating guest at pagbibigay po sa atin ng inspirasyon ay walang iba kundi ang CEO ng Emerge Digital Marketing. Walang iba kundi si Ginoong Richard Noramor. Hi Richard! Nice meeting you.
Thank you, Francis, for inviting us here.
Gusto kong malaman una sa ating interview na ito, yung digital marketing. Pwede mo ba kami bigyan ng idea kung ano ba ito?
Digital marketing, siguro we can start with the traditional marketing. So, traditional marketing, ito yung may billboard tayo, radio, brochures. Yun yung nakasanayan natin. So, that's the tradition. There will be an innovation. Innovation would be the digital. Wherein, aside from the billboard, meron na tayong online version ng, let's say, mga website. We also have social media, nag-evolve na siya over time. And ngayon, meron na nauuso yung influencer marketing.
Gaano kahalaga para sa ating mga negosyante ito tinatawag nating digital marketing?
Since nag-pandemic, very challenging sa mga entrepreneurs yung magkaroon ng customers. Na-accelerate yung demand sa digital marketing because of the pandemic. With that, realize din nila yung importance nito kung meron kang maliit na negosyo para makilala ito sa mga potential mong mga customers. Pwede kang mag-set up ng website or mag-set up ng social media pages mo. So nakakatulong yon dahil itong mga platforms na to na tinatawag natin ay libre lang, hindi nila kailangang magbayad para makilala yung produkto nila.
Richard, ano ba ibig sabihin itong omni-channel marketing?
Omnichannel marketing, it is also synonymous to multidisciplinary. So, it's like parang sa doctors. Pag sinabing multidisciplinary, you're also thinking about omnichannel. Hindi lang isang aspect or channel ng digital marketing pinopromote yung service mo. For example, may website ka, meron ka ding social media, meron ka ding pwedeng traditional, meron ka ding radio, meron ka ding billboard. So in fact, omnichannel, it's a combination of, I think the best way is traditional plus digital.
Please walk us down memory lane. Ano yung pinanggalingan mo? Ano yung experiences mo bago mo na itayo itong Emerge Digital Marketing?
Yan, I started as a service crew.
Oh,
yeah, service crew ako yan. Before, sa fast food chain, while nag-aaral, nagpa-part-time ako.
Anong course ang kinuha mo?
Information technology.
IT, kaya bagay na bagay sa karir mo at sa negosyo mo.
12 years ago, I started as a website designer and developer, servicing international clients with my skills. As a freelancer, na-realize ko na para makapag-service pa ako ng mas maraming client, kailangan kong magbuo ng team. Website designer and developer ako. Wala akong alam pa paano magpatakbo ng business, pero inaral ko siya. Yun, building a team, hiring new people, managing them. Yun yung na-realize ko na aralin mo yung business kahit hindi yun yung forte mo.
Ano ang mga services and solutions na ino-offer ng Emerge sa publiko?
We have, I think, 6 services. Our front-end service is Emerge Fluence. This service is catering to the growing trend of short-form video, wherein the small business owners or brands, they can work with us to tap with the content creators or influencers. That's one, the Emerge Fluence. Next is the Emerge Creative. Emerge Creative, this is content creation on social media, on Meta, LinkedIn, or on Instagram. So we have team of creative fulfillment and brand management team na gumagawa ng copy at saka arts. Then with our enterprise workflow, working with our clients and different stakeholders. Anything goes out sa media, Facebook and Instagram or other platforms, pre-upload lahat ng clients. So that's one. And the next would be the emerged media. When you're browsing your Facebook or on Instagram, may mga sponsored ads doon na lumalabas. So kami din yung nagko-connect nung isang business owner para makapag-add siya doon sa platform na ito. That's the emerged media. We make sure that once we manage the campaigns, it's healthy level. So there will be results. So it can be kung ang objective ni clients are, for example, brand visibility, kaya naming gawin yon. We also have emerged website which is the fundamental of going digital, having that professionally designed website, which is the first step. So we can also provide that.
Mga Kapinoy, sa ating pagbabalik, malalaman natin mula kay Richard, ano ba yung mga challenges na kanya na-experience at ano po ang mga natutunan niya mula dito. Yan ay sa pagbabalik ng Asenso Kapinoy.